Hi, I'm Luca, one of the co-founders of MosaLingua. I'm Italian. I love traveling, discovering new cultures, and learning foreign languages. I love so much languages that today I can speak 7 different languages. I'm really thankful to work alongside a truly international team of people who are passionate about languages and travel, and who are dedicated to helping our users through the learning process. There's Sam, the other co-founder of MosaLingua, who speaks 3 languages and has lived in many countries in Latin America and Asia. And Cedric, our traveling polyglot, who has traveled around the world and has already 5 languages under his belt. And then we have Lizzie from Brazil, who can speak Portuguese, English and French. Or Patricia, who was born in Barcelona and has learned English and Italian in addition to Spanish and Catalan, of course. And that's just to name a few. We've all felt the joy of learning a language, and we want to share this with you. It opens the door to some amazing opportunities, and we think that the world becomes a little bit better of a place when someone learns a new language. We also believe that learning a language should always be fun and enjoyable, and we know how to make the best use of your limited time. We want to show you how to spend the least amount of time possible studying a language and how to focus on really practicing it. If you've been using our apps, you're already familiar with the MosaLingua difference. Our approach is truly different because our team will be with you every step of the way to give you resources and advice, but you will always be in control of your learning process. In addition, we won't waste your time with exercise and activities which are not effective, or with content which is not right for your level and your learning goals. We are certain that you'll make incredible progress with our method, but you will only get out what you put in, and you'll need to be consistent. In order for it to work, you'll need to devote 5-10 minutes a day, if possible, every day. To unlock your potential and most effectively learn a language, you'll first need to learn how to learn. But don't worry, we'll be there to guide you through it. And later on, you will be able to join our MosaLingua Learning Club to receive a lot of free resources and tips to improve your language skills. Thanks for watching. See you soon.